In this video, I will guide you how to verify your credit card on Steam. If your credit card is declined while making a purchase or adding funds, Steam requires verification. Click Begin Verification when prompted. Steam will send two small authorization amounts to your bank account. These are not payments and will remain in a pending state without affecting your balance. Log into your online banking via the mobile app or website. Locate the two random pending transactions from Steam. Do not use amounts from a wallet purchase, only the verification amount. Return to Steam and enter the two exact amounts in the provided fields. Click Verify Amounts to complete the process. You have only 3 attempts to enter the correct amounts. If verification fails after 3 tries, you must wait 3 days before using the Steam Market. The authorization charges will be removed in 30 days regardless of verification. If your bank converts the amount to another currency, contact them to get the original transaction values. Virtual credit cards are not supported for self-verification. That's it. Now you know how to verify your credit card on Steam. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.